In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show high-low on Marketwatch in MT5. If you've ever wondered how to quickly see the highest and lowest prices of each instrument directly in your Marketwatch window, this walkthrough will make it very simple. We're going to start from the default layout in MetaTrader 5 and step by step turn on the high and low columns so they're always visible while you trade. First, make sure your MetaTrader 5 platform is open and you're on the main trading screen. The Marketwatch panel is usually located on the left side of the platform. This is the window that lists all the symbols you can trade, along with their bid and ask prices. If you don't see this window, don't worry, we'll bring it up now. To open Marketwatch, you can use a quick keyboard shortcut. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and M together. After doing that, the Marketwatch window should appear. If it was already open, this shortcut will simply hide or show it, so feel free to press it again if you think you may have accidentally closed it. Once the Marketwatch window is visible, move your mouse inside that area. You'll see the list of symbols, such as currency pairs, indices, or other instruments, depending on what your broker offers. Now, right-click anywhere inside the Marketwatch list. It doesn't have to be on a specific symbol, just make sure you're clicking within that window. A context menu will appear with several options. Look for the option labeled Columns. When you hover over or click on Columns, you'll see a sub-menu with a list of different columns you can add or remove from the Marketwatch display. These might include options like bid, ask, spread, and so on. From this columns list, find and select high-low. Simply click on it once. As soon as you do, MetaTrader 5 will add new columns to your Marketwatch window that show the highest and lowest prices for each instrument within the current trading day or session, depending on the server settings. Take a moment to look over your updated Marketwatch. You should now see additional values next to each symbol, clearly labeled with high and low prices. If at any time you decide you don't want to see these columns, you can repeat the same steps, open the columns menu again, and uncheck high-low to hide them. That's all you need to do to show high-low on Marketwatch.